Unit 15.
Abundant. Abundant is an adjective. Abundant means large or more than enough, plentiful. There was an abundant amount of food at the restaurant. Now you say the word. Abundant. Abundant. Barrier. Barrier is a noun. A barrier blocks or bars movement or passage. The mountains acted as a barrier to the wind. Now you say the word. Barrier. Barrier. Conceive. Conceive is a verb. To conceive is to start something or to think up or begin to understand. I began to conceive a plan on how to get all my work done. Now you say the word. Conceive. Conceive. Formal. Formal is an adjective. Formal means following strict rules or customs, or requiring fancy clothes and fine manners. The club members were required to follow a formal dress code. Now you say the word. Formal. Formal. Inquire. Inquire is a verb. To inquire is to ask about. The detective has begun to inquire about the crime. Now you say the word. Inquire. Inquire. Penalize. Penalize is a verb. To penalize is to punish. Our teacher will penalize us for incomplete work. Now you say the word. Penalize. Penalize. Picturesque. Picturesque is an adjective. Picturesque means charming or quaint. The little town is so picturesque. Now you say the word. Picturesque. Picturesque. Predator. Predator is a noun. A predator is one that destroys or devours others, or an animal that stalks and eats other animals. A snake is a predator of mice and other rodents. Now you say the word. Predator. Predator. Privilege. Privilege is a noun. A privilege is a special right, benefit, or permission. The players who arrived first got the privilege of choosing the nicest uniforms. Now you say the word. Privilege. Privilege. Slumber. Slumber is a verb. Slumber means to sleep lightly. The baby will slumber for a while after lunch. Now you say the word. Slumber. Slumber. Slumber is a noun. Slumber is a sleep or light sleep. The cat lay in slumber for most of the afternoon. Now you say the word. Slumber.